Hello and welcome back to WePC. Now, do you remember those times when buying games was an annoying task, which meant leaving your house, hopping in the car and driving to your nearest game shop, waiting in line and finally picking up your game? Well, those times are thankfully no more. Buying games and activating them now is more easier than peeling an orange. Now, even though the process is undoubtedly straightforward and self-intuitive, we decided to explain the process for those that are struggling. So this video is on the basis that you have already purchased your game and have received the game's code already. This will be an explanation on how to activate your game, download it, and then play it. Step 1 is to add your game. Firstly, log into your Steam account, and once you've logged in, you will see a button in the bottom left-hand corner of the Steam window which says Add Game. Simply click it. Once you have clicked the Add Game button, you will see 3 options in a pop-up menu. You should see a tab that says Activate a product on Steam. Click this tab. This is the beginning of the activation process. The first window explains that you need a product key to continue with the process. Click Next. Following this, you will have to agree to the Steam subscriber agreement rules. Read them if you wish, but we know that nobody ever does. After that, just click Next to continue the process. The next window is where you will paste your game's code. Copy and paste the entire code into the box displayed and click Next. The following window will let you know the process was completed successfully. At this stage, if you don't see this pop-up window, something has gone wrong in the activation process and you'll need to start over. Click Next once you have read the info until you finally get to the download screen. This signifies the start of the download process, and all you have to do now is wait for your game to download and install, after which you will be able to play. And that is simply it. That is how to activate a game code through Steam. It is by far the easiest method. However, it's not the only method. If for whatever reason you are still struggling to activate your game, feel free to drop us a comment in the comment section below and we'll happily explain how to activate your game in other ways. We do hope this helped you at all, and if it did, we would love if you leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.